Scottish reel is next up in the Technique and Artistry book. Take a moment with your pencil to circle the two dynamics. We'll be starting mezzo forte, heading into forte. We're really working legato here. We also have a tie that's notated differently. They have you push down the notes, and then rather than draw all of those ties that would come all the way down to here, they wrote hold C through G, C and G through measure 8. So you're just going to push it, hold it all the way down to here, then left hand has new things to do. Up here, you'll see hand cups are the daily warm-up. We first did those with tune-up with thirds. I will link to the video that has tune-up with thirds so you can go back and review the way I teach those if you want to. Either way, make sure you're doing that as your warm-up each day. There's a note to use C 5-finger scale as shown on page 14. That is this position, the position for playing C 5-finger scale. So that's what that little note is all about. All right, we're in 3/4 time. I'm going to count in one measure. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.